So this is question number 217 of Leetcode. This question states that there is an array given, which if it has a duplicate, like for year 1 and 1, we are supposed to return true. And say it does not have any duplicate in the given array, we are supposed to return false. So straight up the brute force approach. We can have two loops, an inner loop and an outer loop that traverses through the array. Say 1 2 3 1. The inner loop stays on the first one element, while the outer loop stays on the first element while the inner loop traverses through the array. Let's say we are unable to find in the first iteration, then the outer loop gets updated to the next, and again the inner loop traverses until we find the same element. So since it has two for loops, it becomes big O of n squared. Since this is going for say n, and that becomes big O of n squared. Now this creates an issue for us since the time complexity is quadratic. It can take a really long time, especially considering the length can be 10 raised to power 5. It can take a long time because this is 10 raised to power 5 squared. That's 10 raised to power 10. That's like more than 100 seconds, because 10 raised to power 8 is 100 seconds. That's already a minute and a half. So now going on towards our efficient approach. We know about sets and hash set in C++. For those who are unaware, sets is a way to store unique elements only. And that is also similar for hash set. However, sets stores in a sorted manner, whereas this does not store in a sorted manner. So I prefer using sets, and in this question we can make say a set that is of name dupe. So I say set integer duplicate. Now we begin with the array, and the set ends at the end of the array. Now what we do is we compare the size of this set that we have created just now, and if that is equal to the size of the array that was given to us initially, or the vector, we return false, because the array the set only stores unique elements, and say if there is no unique element, it stores the same size of 4 in this example. But say there is an element, it stores the size of 3, whereas the array still has the size of 4. So if they are equal, we return false as asked in the question, else it is a straight up return true. And this question is done. Let's go on to code this out. So this is question number 217 of Leetcode, and as we discussed, if the array has a duplicate, return true. If array has no duplicates, return false. This is our brute force approach, where we have an outer loop and an inner loop running, traversing through the array, and that compares elements. But due to large size of the array, it is probably not possible for us to run, and it is not very efficient. So we go ahead with our efficient approach of creating a set that stores all the unique elements of the array that was provided to us, that is nums in this case. Then we check and slash compare our sizes of the two datasets that we have, that is the array that was provided and the set we created. If they're equal in size, we return false because that indicates no duplicate was present, whereas if in the other case we return true, because if this fails to run, that surely means this is the true case. And as you can see, we have not only done, we have also submitted, and it has been accepted.